Hi students, MCQ number 6. A semicircular arc of radius A is charged uniformly and the charge per unit length is lambda. Now the electric field at its center has to be found. So look at this semicircular arc whose radius is small a. Now the charge is uniformly distributed. Okay, distributed uniformly on this semicircle, so that the charge per unit length will be constant anywhere. Now in the entire semicircle, a small portion which is called a small element, I will consider, let dl be the length of the element and dq be the fractional charge in that element. So I can write lambda is equal to dq divided by dl, charge per unit length. So dq is now equal to lambda into dl. Okay, therefore the net charge in that semicircle is taken as q. Q is equal to sigma dq, the summation of all the charges present in each element that has to be added. So this is equal to sigma. Instead of dq I can substitute lambda into dl. Since the charges are distributed uniformly, lambda is a constant, so I can take it out into sigma dl. Sigma dl means what? We are going to add the elements present from one end to the other end. That is equal to what? The length of the semicircle. Okay, therefore now q is equal to lambda into sigma dl is half the circumference, is it not? So that is pi into radius a. So this is the first equation we are deriving. Now the electric field, therefore the electric field at this center of this semicircle must be equal to what? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q divided by distance square. All the elements are at the same distance a. So radius square can also be written as what? A square. Okay. Now you substitute q. Q is equal to what? Lambda into pi a. So this is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into lambda into pi a divided by a square. Now this pi term first gets cancelled, then the power of a square and this a get cancelled. Therefore now the remaining terms E is equal to lambda divided by 4 epsilon naught a. 4 epsilon naught a. So this is the expected electric field at the center of the semicircular loop. So which option is correct? Let us see now. Option B is lambda divided by 4 epsilon naught a. Therefore option B is the correct answer. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.